Hello my friends, today we shall speak about prepare database for analysis. We make our analysis in program Statistica 7.0. Let's start. First of all, we must open the new worksheet. Here we see different. We go to the spreadsheet and begin to number of variables 10, number of cases 10, and click here. What we see? First of all, we see variables. Variables may related to the different medical analysis, for example, blood sugar, blood pressure, and categorical factor, for example, colors of hair and different characteristics which are related to groups of experimental. For example, we try to analyze blood sugar, and first of all we must make a name for variables. Try to make name glucose, blood sugar. And here we try to fill our database with cases 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 4, 3, 5.5, and so on. If we need additional variables, we can add variables by clicking on three places of the worksheet, and we can add, for example, we add three variable, and you see dialog which can help us to fill variable's name, but we don't need it. But if we don't need in additional variables, we can delete variables, and from variables 4 to variables new are 3. Okay, but we have, if we like to add additional cases, we try to click on the additional spaces here, and we see, for example, we can add 10 variables. Okay, and we try to fill additional cases 7, 6, 5, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 5, 6. For example, our database consists of two experimental groups. For example, in first group include first 10 cases, and in second group second. We try to start add name of our group by clicking and add text to the variables. For example, we go to the first cases first variable and try to control. And we see a dialog which asks us to which type of variables we want to add. And here we add enable text label. Later I show what is it. Then control, and so on. If you are clicking on the variable, you see additional place text labels. And if we go here, you see that text label for the control now 101. And here we can add additional label, for example, experimental, and add 102. Go to the, and we insert only label, for example 101, and what we see, program assign our number, assign a name of this label. We try to fill. Okay, but another one is experimental. We can add our second label. Oops, it's assigned experimental label. We fill all of our group, and now we see variable. We give them name group. So you can see we have for two groups and variables blood sugar. For example, if we like additional group or categorical variables, for example, group which by not experiment by age, we go here and assign text label. Text label. One. Fold 2. And middle 3, for example. And so on. So you can see here 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and so on. For example, if you can try to insert from Excel, program convert our variables to text labels. For example, try to copy and paste. You see dialog which asks us to what we must do with text label. And here we may convert text to missing data and import with text labels. We try to first, and what we see, we make new variable which consists of text label. So we can pass from Excel, from Word and another program, and the program converts this variable to the text labels, and we can may use it for analysis. That's all for the first time. Goodbye, see you later on our video channel Data Analysis and Data Mining.